Rochester Motorsports checking in. I've had this set of 28 by 10 14 bighorns, just regular bighorns, on the bead locks, sitting around forever. So I thought I'd throw them on the Defender. Pretty sure my back tire is going to be a little less wide, which is probably not an issue. Anyway, I just bolted them on there. Just to see how they look. Looks like they're sitting just inside of the XL fender flares, and I have my shocks all the way on the soft setting. So start this thing up. Steering check here. That's full lock to the left. Plenty of clearance on the body. Go down here. Let's do a full right lock. I bought these tires for my OG Mav, and ended up wanting something a little more aggressive. Yeah, looks like we got tons of clearance here. Good money in there, good money in there. Nowhere near the body. We're still on full soft on this. I do have the S3 springs on this. So I think I'm going to bolt the back ones on and call it good. This is basically a work machine. Not really worried about doing 50 down the trail with this thing. Pretty much just use this for plowing and riding around the house, picking up wood, cutting down trees. So yeah, I think I'm going to I'll throw those on throw the other ones on the back. These were 27s. Not sure there's a huge difference here in the tire size. Throw the back ones on and get back to you. Alright, so I got the 28 by 10 by 14s, the STI HD bead locks with the 28 by 10 14 Bighorn 1.0s. Don't mind the heat coming out of my wood burner here. Got them mounted on there. A little wide in the front. I believe the offset, I'm not going to say the offset, I think if I ran a string down the side, I think they're pretty even. It's kind of hard to tell from here. A little backstory on these tires and wheels. I bought these in December of 2018 based on all the recommendations from the Facebook gurus saying, oh, the Bighorn 2.0 suck. You got to get the regular Bighorns. So I bought these and put them on my 15 OG Mav Turbo. After having 2,800 miles on the stock tires, which still look great, and I hated them. The thing pushed so bad because you're going through a wider tire in the front. That's my guess. And it was real skatey. I tried 8 pounds, 10 pounds, 12 pounds, 14 pounds of air. But when we got up above about 45 miles an hour on a flat straight part, which is often what we ride around here in Michigan, the machine was skating all over the place. So I took them off of there, put them on my 16 Commander. Never really had a problem with them on there, except that I did a 2-inch lift and quote unquote tuned springs for that Commander, and the thing rode like crap after that. It rode like a freaking rock. But that machine barely ever saw 60 miles an hour. So I've had these sitting around for, I guess, 2 years now. They don't even have 120 miles on them. One ride on the OG, a couple rides on the Commander. I sold the Commander last fall of 19, so I wasn't going to give my $1,100 wheels and tires away with it. So they've been sitting here in the barn. I was going to put, not studs, but cold cutters in them and race my OG at Houghton Lake for the ice races, and then pretty quickly figured out that everybody showing up for the Houghton Lake ice races was bringing a 400 horsepower Yamaha YXZ. So now I'm throwing them on this thing. This machine rarely sees, above 30 miles an hour. I've been off-roading for 35 years. I've always liked tall, skinny tires. For example, this one. But we'll try it out. If I don't like it, I got my stock tires and wheels sitting here. They have 84 miles on them, so see what happens. I would like to have a little bit more traction for snow plowing, which is really what I use this machine for around here. Otherwise, we're just going 5 miles an hour in the woods. So maybe with the slightly more aggressive tread, it'll bite a little better in the snow, but I can tell you that even the stock tires had enough bite under load pushing snow to trip the whatever the hell it was, the shift into low gear warning light on the dash. Alright, that's it. We'll check them out, see if I like them. These tires and wheels have been on 3 different machines, and quite frankly, I haven't been happy with any machine yet that they've been on. Rochester Motorsports, checking out.